Hello everyone, my name is Yogendra, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can check your backlinks through Google Search Console in your account. So you need to go to your Google Search Console account and you can check most of the backlinks through Google Search Console using this method. And some backlinks will not appear like those who have you created recently, and sometimes your account may not appear. All the backlinks are uh, because you have recently started creating backlinks for your website or e-commerce store. So for checking backlinks you need to go to Google Search Console, select your property, and after selecting your property, uh, scroll down to find the links. Here you can see I need to scroll down, and you here you will get the option links, and in links you will see two types of links: external links and internal links. So if you scroll down below, then you will see top linking sites. So here you can see the sites which are linking back to your website, and you can see that 50 linking pages from Reddit are backlinking to my website, and you can verify here by visiting Reddit store also. Sorry, Reddit website. So this is our Reddit profile, and you can see that all posts which we have created. So you can see that all the posts which I have posted on my Reddit account, and I have also created a Reddit community for posting all this stuff like images, videos of the our store. So I have created Pakistani suit community for posting all the products and links. So this is the way you can check all the backlinks through your Google Search Console account. So I'm linking to my three pages, and here you can see all the three pages, and you can see other website by scrolling below: YouTube, LinkedIn, and all. So I think this video will be helpful to you, and through this way you can easily check your backlinks. And if you are looking for a backlinking service like off-page SEO or on-page SEO or technical SEO services, then you can contact me. I have provided my contact number in description, and I will put my email address there also. So this is all the things which I wanted to show for today. Thank you.